Welcome to the Quizzy Mind. Think you know animals? Let's put your knowledge to the test with this exciting Animal GK quiz. We've got some fun, tricky, and surprising questions. Only a few will get them all right. Let's see how much you really know about animals. First question. Which animal can hold its breath the longest? Cuvier's beaked whale. Which animal has the longest eyelashes? Camel. Which animal can taste with its feet? Butterfly. Which insect builds the tallest structures? Termite. Which animal has the largest eyes in the world? Giant squid. Which bird is the fastest in the world? Peregrine falcon. Which animal never drinks water? Kangaroo rat. Which animal can jump 200 times its body length? Flea. Which animal has square-shaped poop? Wombat. Which sea creature has the biggest brain? Sperm whale. Which bird is known as the king of birds? Eagle. Which animal's milk is pink? Hippopotamus. Which bird can sleep while flying? Swift. Which animal has the strongest punch? Mantis shrimp. Which animal has the longest pregnancy? Elephant. Which animal can survive the highest fall without injury? Cat. Which insect has the shortest life? Mayfly. Which animal can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl. Which animal has the loudest sound? Blue whale. Which bird can mimic human speech? Parrot. Which animal has transparent blood? Icefish. Which insect can survive radiation? Cockroach. Which bird lays the smallest eggs? Hummingbird. Which animal can live without its head for days? Cockroach. Which animal has the most powerful bite? Saltwater crocodile. Which animal can glow in the dark? Firefly squid. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. Which fish can walk on land? Mudskipper. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Greenland shark. Which insect has ears on its legs? Cricket. Which animal has the longest migration? Arctic tern. Which animal can walk on water? Basilisk lizard. Which animal can smell underwater? Shark. Which animal has the longest tongue relative to body? Chameleon. Which animal has blue blood? Octopus. Which bird can hover in one place? Hummingbird. Which animal can regenerate its limbs? Starfish. Which animal has the strongest kick? Zebra. Which animal has the thickest fur? Sea otter. Which animal is the fastest swimmer? Sailfish. Which bird has the largest beak? Pelican. Which animal can survive being frozen? Wood frog. Which animal has the biggest heart? Blue whale. Which animal sleeps the least? Giraffe. Which insect is the fastest runner? Tiger beetle. Which bird is the fastest runner? Ostrich. Which animal has the longest tail relative to body? Jerboa. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Camel. Which sea animal is the smartest? Dolphin. Which insect has transparent wings? Dragonfly. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing quizzes. See you in the next challenge.